Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a fun holiday card featuring a little ink blending and lots of die cutting. So let's get started. First, I blend my background with Distress Oxide inks in Blueprint Sketch, Salty Ocean, Tumbled Glass, and Salvage Patina. I splattered the blended panel with water and iridescent shimmer spray for a sparkly, snowy scene. Off camera, I die cut a snowbank from white cardstock. Next, I die cut all the bike pieces from riding by. I used black cardstock for the tire, red glitter cardstock for the bike frame, a matte silver cardstock for the metal parts, and craft cardstock for the basket. Then I stamped the cute tangle of Christmas lights from riding by holiday style with Copic-friendly black ink. I colored all the lights with a rainbow of colors and used 2 Copic markers to blend each light. Then I die cut the lights with the coordinating honeycut dies. Then it was assembly time. I adhered my snowbank to my blended background and used liquid glue to adhere the bike parts. Off camera, I stamped sentiments from riding by holiday style onto black cardstock and heat embossed them with white embossing powder. I used a little foam mounting tape for my basket to give it a little extra dimension. Finally, off camera, I applied Spectrum Noir Clear Sparkle and Nouveau Crystal Glaze to the lights to give them a little added shine and sparkle. And that's it. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!